Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Big day today. Guys, I don't think I have done something this impulsive and crazy ever in my life. We basically saw a puppy up for adoption in Manali and yesterday, day before yesterday and today we are driving to Manali to pick him up. हमने बहुत कोशिश करी कि we are able to figure some way of transporting him over here safely. बट नहीं कुछ सोल्यूशन निकल पाया एंड मेरा और संदीप का दिल आ गया उस पर ऑनेस्टली एंड आई हैव जस्ट नेवर डन समथिंग दिस इम्पल्सिव दैट आई एम ड्राइविंग अबाउट 500 किलोमीटर्स टू पिक अप अ पपी इवन दो मतलब दिल्ली में भी पपीज़ मिल सकते हैं बट उस स्पेसिफिक पपी से इतना कनेक्शन फील हुआ मुझे. आई थिंक ही लुक्ड अ बिट लाइक चिगल्स. इफ़ यू सीन माई शिमला वाले व्लॉग्स यूड नो हु चिगल्स इज़ एंड उसके क्या पर्सनैलिटी ट्रेट्स थे. बट मेरे को बस बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग आई कि ये पपी जिसका हम नाम चिगल्स या फिर सिड्डू रखेंगे, द गर्ल हु इज़ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हिम राइट नाउ, हीना, शी कॉल्स हिम सिड्डू. सो सिड्डू इज़ अ हिमाचली डिश बेसिकली. गूगल कर लेना, यू विल गेट द जिस्ट ऑफ वाई ही इज़ कॉल्ड सिड्डू. एंड तो मैं उसको सिड्डू या फिर चिगल्स बोलूँगी. बट द पॉइंट इज़ अभी टाइम क्या हुआ है, अराउंड 7 PM हो रहे हैं और हम दिल्ली से मनाली के लिए निकल रहे हैं और आई थिंक कल हम मिलेंगे उसे. एंड ओ माई गॉड, माई हार्ट इज़ जस्ट सो फुल राइट नाउ. आई ऑल्सो फील लाइक आई हैवंट डन समथिंग दिस बिजार एवर इन माई लाइफ बिफोर. बट या, लाइक आई कांट वेट टू मीट सिड्डू एंड मेक हिम मीट यू गाइज. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. I think the main task is going to be to transport him back to Delhi. We will be in Manali for 4 days and he's going to be with us. We have been struggling to find a hotel which is reasonable since this is so impromptu. We do not have a budget for this holiday. But I think the main issue is, I think I'll just place the camera somewhere over here. Find a place where the hotel or homestay is okay with dogs. And fortunately I'm so overwhelmed, very like I don't know what to say, but basically I can't stop smiling. Like anyway, calm down Vasu, calm down. So fortunately Manali has a lot of homestays and hotels जहाँ पे dogs allowed होते हैं और I think we're going to stay जहाँ पे हम पहले भी रहे थे 2022 में. So I'm going to see you now on the way. We're going to leave now. So obviously अभी बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है मनाली में. I've carried my woolens और इस सब में ये कोलैब्स का भी सामान जा रहा है. There's this weighing scale and all of that. And it's 7 PM right now. We are all packed. यानी क्या सोच के मैं ये छोटी सी बास्केट ले जा रही हूँ. Maybe transporting him will be easier this way. काफ़ी ठंड होने वाली है मनाली में तो मैं शॉल और वुलन्स बहुत सारे कैरी करें. इसमें मैंने एक पुराना वुलन पजामा रख दिया है अपना so that he gets a slight bedding and कटोरियाँ obviously because food and water on the way. So we are all set to leave and we are saying our prayers and starting off with this journey to Manali and this journey onto being doggy parents. I still can't believe what we are up to and I still can't stop smiling. It's been 48 hours and I've been smiling non-stop. मुझे इतना अजीब लग रहा था इस डिसीजन के बारे में क्योंकि थोड़ा बिजार लग रहा है. सो आई केप्ट आस्किंग ऑल माई डॉग लविंग फ्रेंड्स कि यार तुम कुछ ऐसा करते कि मतलब तुम 500 किलोमीटर दूर जाओ एक पपी को उठाने. And all of them were like, यार अगर इतना प्यार हो गया इस पपी से then just go and get him. हम इस वॉल्वो की पूंछ बन गए. Guys, it's 3:25 AM and हम चंडीगढ़ काफ़ी पीछे छोड़ गए and I think another 3 to 4 hours we will be in Manali and then he will get to meet Chiggles, also known as Siddu. चाय पीने रुके हैं और पानी खरीदने रुके हैं एक ढाबे पे. ये छोटा सा ढाबा, पता नहीं आगे क्या मिलेगा. और ऑल्सो बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड हो गई है अभी तो. मतलब पहाड़ शुरू भी नहीं हुआ है पर बहुत ठंड हो गई है. सो यहाँ से आई थिंक अनदर 2 hours एंड वी विल बी इन मनाली। जो भी ये रास्ता काफ़ी ऑफन करते हैं उनको पता होगा ये मनहूस लुकिंग सा टनल कौन सा है। एंड इट्स डॉन नाउ। So we reached and slept off and now it's 4 PM and we are going to pick up Sidhu. I'll show you guys the view in front of me right now. ये मेरी balcony से सीधा लाहौल दिख रहा है और वहाँ पे पड़ी हुई बर्फ़। So we spoke to Hina and she is at the Hardimba temple. She's coming to meet us and take us to where all the puppies are. And this is where they are, all of them. There are 5 or 7 of them. But let me tell you that Sidhu was missing all through and Hina and I started to freak out. After about 5 minutes of playing with the rest of the puppies, finally Sidhu emerged out of the concrete area under the homestay. I think I will always remember this dramatic entry that he made after freaking us out. After I thought that okay, maybe we will have to adopt another puppy. While the mother and all the other puppies were outside, Sidhu specifically kept staying inside and he was fast asleep and he came out yawning after 5 to 7 minutes after everybody had freaked out. Guys, Sidhu के भाई बहन अभी भी adoption के लिए up है and I will attach Hina's profile, Instagram profile link below. You can contact her if you would be interested. And there Sidhu finally came out. एकदम ही सोंदू and he was just in deep sleep and you can I think still see that he is so groggy. And so we sat at Hina's homestay for some time to get him used to us and then placed him in this basket and went out to have dinner. I think he was still in sleep mode, though he was not really realizing that we have taken him away from his mother, but I was feeling so bad and just hoping that he gets comfortable with us soon. We went to our usual place and had our pasta and dinner. Then we quickly headed out to bring in a small collar and leash so that we at least have some control of him and maybe a chew toy since he's already started to teeth. Look at him looking so cute. उसके बाद हम अपने रूम चले गए और ये भाई साहब बहुत ही क्यूटली बास्केट में ही रहे। तब तक तो मेरे को लग रहा था कि what a well behaved dog, which he still is, but Hina had mentioned that he is one of the naughtier ones out of the lot. And ये मेरे को next morning पता लगा। पूरी रात he and I familiarized with each other and then he actually slept on my tummy. So I felt he was very young to be separated from his mother and he was only sleeping with the body warmth. So this is how he and I spent our first night chatting with each other while Sandeep had slept off. रात को I think इसको realize हो गया that his siblings and mother are not around and he started to panic a little bit. Next morning 6 AM I actually started to realize that he is very naughty. I took him downstairs for a short walk early in the morning and after that it was like his battery got operated and he got comfortable with me, so he started to take the leverage to really bully me. You can see over here he's pulled the entire bedding from his basket out and he's yanking it here and there, very similar to our earlier dog Donut. Agle दिन he really started to open up to Sandeep as well and you can see how comfortable he slowly started to get in our presence, which I am so grateful for. I mean, that was one thing I was so worried about. He takes to us well, he is comfortable with us and he doesn't miss his mom and siblings too much. So I think just like any new parent, I did not get to sleep even for half an hour last night. Sandeep fortunately did. So today morning he took Sidhu out to the vet, got him dewormed, got some medication done for the fleas, and now we are roaming around Old Manali looking like the cutest little thing in Old Manali and grabbing everyone's attention. He is already a celebrity here. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रही, हम थोड़ा सा भी चलते हैं तो एटलीस्ट 4-5 जने रोक के इसके साथ सेल्फी खिंचवाते हैं. आई एम नॉट इवन एग्जैजरेटिंग. सो टुडे इज़ संडे एंड इट्स आवर लास्ट डे ओवर हियर. इस बार मैं मनाली बिल्कुल भी नहीं घूम पाई बिकॉज आई हैव मोस्टली बिन विद दिस लिटिल चिकलेट in the bedroom, and we're just roaming around a little bit, driving around Manali and the area behind, and because tomorrow we leave for Delhi, and I'm really hoping that he has a comfortable ride in the car back since it's a long journey. मैंने जितना भी अभी तक नोटिस करा है, he is actually really good with movement and car rides. He just sleeps off. It could be because he's very young right now, but let's see how tomorrow is. Here's some footage of him being an absolute star with the hotel that we were at. Everyone around there was obsessed with him. Sidhu, Sidhu, Sidhu. So अगर सच बोलूँ तो मैं after 1 or 2 days of getting used to me, he started bullying me a lot. He was pulling and tugging because he's also teething at whatever this kind of a plastic that he would get, and my clothes, the kambal. There was a point in time when I couldn't even go to pee for a second if Sandeep was asleep, and the cutest was when he saw this mirror and he saw himself and got confused. Good morning. निकले दिल्ली के लिए? घर जाए? हाँ सिद्धू? I love you. I love you. I love you. Well, this is what the last 3 or 4 nights of my life have looked like. He either is fast asleep or then he is chewing away, and sometimes at my arm, sometimes at my thumb, and I'm still trying to get him used to the chew toy. So the next day we are off to Delhi, and this is how he has been in my lap. He's been pretty comfortable. पहले ही एकदम ही snuggled up like he was nervous, और धीरे धीरे बिल्कुल ही फैलता गया, and he just kept lying down like a bakri almost, and sometimes sitting in this basket and wanting my attention non-stop. I have had a very tiring time, and I will see you very soon in my next vlog along with more Sidhu updates. Please do consider subscribing to my channel and show some love in the comments under this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.